condemn the primitive behavior by the Deputy President, Mr. Gachawa. Mr. Gachawa has no respect for the rule of law. He has no respect for the doctrine of separation of powers. He is abusing judicial officers, helter-skelter, particularly naming a person who has made a decision against him. It is not just defamatory, but it is also scandalous, because if he has any evidence, he should submit it to JSC, not to abuse a judicial officer. That is the most hard-working judicial officer that we know. Her integrity is beyond question. She's like Caesar's wife. She's the most hard-working, and she made that decision on the basis of facts and the law before her. But Mr. Gachawa knows that they manipulated the process after they acquired power in the Court of Appeal and swore in new affidavits. Gachawa should stop this nonsense. He is behaving like a village boy, and he must stop it. He has to respect the judiciary. And I'm saying this because the next time we are going to appeal, meaning to campaign until Gachawa is impeached, because he's too incompetent. He doesn't know how the arms of government operate. He has no protocol, he has no rules, he has no guidelines. He's just a rogue state officer. So we wish to defend the judicial officers, particularly the judicial officer Gachagua'S named. I don't want to name her because that would be unfair. I know she's hardworking, her integrity is beyond question, and she has risen through ranks from an RM to Chief Magistrate and to the High Court. So she has risen on merit, and she has a family, she has children. So it is very unfair for a state officer to just shout names of people on TV, not knowing that these are people with families, these are people with responsibilities, these are people with careers. So I wish to appeal to the CJ to be very firm on these rogue state officers, and particularly to be very firm with Gachawa, because it is no place for Gachawa in Kenya. It was an accident. For him to become a deputy president, it was an accident. Let us deal with this terrible accident, but let him not mess the other arms of government through this crude behavior. Yes, if you have any questions, I can answer.